Imagine this. You're wide awake. The clock keeps ticking, but you never fall asleep. No naps, no rest, no shutdown, just endless consciousness. So, what happens to your brain and body if you never sleep again? Sleep isn't just for rest, it's like a biological cleaning process. Every night, your brain clears waste, restores memory, regulates hormones, and strengthens your immune system. Without sleep, your body slowly loses balance, like a machine overheating with no shutdown button. After one day, you feel tired. That's normal. But internally, your brain's alertness drops, and reaction time slows as much as being legally drunk. You may start to feel moody, anxious, and hungry because your hunger hormone ghrelin increases. After 2 days without sleep, your body begins to malfunction. Memory weakens, eyes become blurry, your immune system drops, making you vulnerable to infections. Your brain also enters microsleep. It shuts down in tiny 5–10 second bursts without warning, even if your eyes are open. After 3 days, reality becomes strange. You might see things that aren't real. Hallucinations, confusion, emotional breakdowns. Your brain is now running like a damaged computer, skipping logic, processing errors. In 1965, a teenager named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 days for a science project. By day 4, he couldn't focus. By day 6, he started hallucinating. His speech slurred, his memory crashed. Doctors warned, extended sleep deprivation can lead to organ failure, brain damage, and even death in extreme conditions. There's a rare disorder called fatal familial insomnia, where people literally lose the ability to sleep. Within months, they die. This shows sleep is not a luxury. It's a survival mechanism. So the next time you think of skipping sleep for work, games, or social media, remember this. You can survive without food for weeks, but without sleep, your mind collapses first. Sleep isn't weakness, it's your brain's secret weapon. Found this helpful? Drop a like, share with your insomniac friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep, science-backed truths.